So on the next, basically is how to use secondary keywords only once. To use secondary keyword only once in the text. So I will teach you how to add your secondary keywords only once in the text. So let's start. This is not easy, but you need to be smart. It's not easy. If you're smart, you'll be able to get it. So let's start with the first. The secondary keyword should appear only once in your post. Uh, this is for WordPress. This is for blogger. This is for blogger. So let's do this. The first one is how to cook beans with where so Control F. Let's search for the word. So we already have this. Let's go for the next. Nigeria beans with red oil. I'm gonna add this here. I guess you now know how to, let's put this, how to cook. Okay, Nigeria beans with red oil. So this is good. Let's check. Have it. So let's move on to the next. Let's fix all the second beans with red oil. It's a possibility I might find this on the blog post. No, yeah, beans with red oil. So, um, okay, let's put this here. You can try eating your beans with red oil and rice. You really love it. So let's go for the last. How to cook beans with palm oil. Let's proceed to how to cook beans with palm oil in Nigeria. So we're done. And I have my second keyword in the blog post. So thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next.